Hello, my name is Stephen Johnson, and I'm part of Itron's Partner Enablement team. In this two-part series, I'll give you an overview of the main components of the Itron Developer Program and describe how your IoT devices and associated data are managed through your Developer Program account. In this first video, I'll focus on the different elements of your online account, including the developer portal, the Starfish Network environment, the Starfish Data Platform, and Starfish Studio. In the second video, I'll cover some of the technical skills that will help you manage your devices and data as you develop your IoT solution. Your experience with the Itron Developer Program starts with our developer portal at developer.itron.com. The portal is where you create your account, place orders for developer kits, and access documentation to help you develop your IoT solution using Itron technologies. Your account on the developer portal can be viewed using the My Account feature. Click My Account, and here you can see information about your account, including devices that you have, information about the data platform and how you manage your data within the platform, your account settings, as well as support tickets and access to a community forum where you can log questions and submit help tickets. Partners typically start developing Itron IoT solutions by logging into developer.itron.com and ordering a developer kit. If you click on Dev Kits, you get a listing of our catalog and all the different kits that are available. For Milli developers, just choose the region of the world that you want to operate your solution in, click View Details, and then you can see the details of the developer kit, including the IoT router, the Milli Shield that hosts the Milli module, as well as the optional Arduino board for connecting sensors, USB cables, etc. There are three main components of the Itron development platform. The first, as we just saw, was the developer portal at developer.itron.com. The portal is where you create your account that starts your journey on IoT development. It's where you place developer kit orders and manage those orders. And also it hosts all the development documentation that you'll use. Second component is our hosted Starfish Network. The Starfish Network, or simply Starfish, is an Itron-hosted IP-based infrastructure for managing secure communications with your IoT devices. Starfish supports routing to your devices through your IoT router, supports data delivery of your IoT data generated by your devices using MQTT and CoAP, and it also supports device management of all your connected devices. The third component is the Starfish Data Platform. The data platform is an optional repository you can use to persistently store and retrieve data from your Milli devices. Itron's reference Java CoAP and MQTT clients both store data from devices in the Starfish Data Platform automatically. The data platform supports persistent data storage for all your devices and the data they generate, supports the ability to create and manage webhooks that push your IoT data to other cloud services over the internet, and also provides data simulation services for data that you want to generate on your own independent of your devices and store in the data platform. Finally, Starfish Studio is a web-based interface to all of Itron's development platform APIs. It's hosted by the developer portal, and it also connects to the Starfish Network and the Starfish Data Platform. Studio allows you to generate authorization tokens for authenticating yourself to APIs, managing your devices, managing your data in the Starfish Data Platform, and creating webhooks to connect data to other cloud services. I'll give an example of how Starfish Studio works by getting a list of all devices associated with my account. First, I'll create an authorization token used to authenticate me to the APIs, and I'll copy that onto my clipboard. And I'll scroll down and I will click the GET operation on the device retrieval API. This shows me an example of what the output is going to look like in JSON format. The required parameters that I'm going to supply are the solution name in Starfish Data Platform, which is Sandbox by default. And then I'll paste my authorization token in the authorization field, and then I'll click Try It Out. The response that comes back shows me several interesting things. One is the curl command. That would be the equivalent on the command line of invoking the same Starfish Studio get operation on devices. And here's the URL that command exercises. It also shows me the response body, again in JSON format, and this is what includes all the devices that I have in my account on the Starfish Data Platform and on the Starfish Network. For each of the components of the Itron Development Platform, there are various identifiers that you use to identify your account and authenticate you to the various systems. Within the developer portal, there is your account that has a web login that you use to log into the developer portal each time you visit it. And also associated with your account are a client ID and a client secret. Those are not stored by the Itron Developer Portal. Instead, once you create your account and it generates and shows you the client ID and secret, you store those locally, and those will be used for you to generate authentication tokens going forward to access the Starfish Network and to access data in the Starfish Data Platform. The Starfish Network itself uses authorization tokens as the primary authentication mechanism. It also stores device IDs associated with each of your devices. These are not the MAC IDs that are printed on the label for the devices, but rather just a Starfish identifier that we associate in our back office with the devices. The Starfish Data Platform uses the same web login associated with your account because it is hosted by the developer portal. It also uses authorization tokens, again derived from your client ID and secret, to authenticate you to its APIs. And it also uses the concept of a solution as a logical segmentation of your data in the Starfish Data Platform. And again, the default solution name for all of your Milli-based devices is going to be Sandbox. This video covered the main components of the Itron Developer Program and some of the identifiers used to manage your account, data, and devices in the program. In the second video, I will cover technical skills needed to perform device and data management tasks using Starfish Studio and the Developer Portal.